I'm Peppa Pig. This is my little brother George. This is Mommy Pig and this is Daddy Pig. Peppa Pig. Painter's Cove. This is Mademoiselle, a teacher, a student. Oh, Miss Polly has a sick. Oh, Mademoiselle, I got a cough. Pedro has got a cough. Don't worry, I'll bring Dr. Brown Bear. Dr. Brown Bear speaking. Hello, this is Mademoiselle. A child has a cough. Don't worry, I will come straight. Where is I got a cough like this? Don't worry. Do you have a cough? You can be you, but I don't know. Open wide, please. Maybe you. Mademoiselle start to sing. Oh, this I don't know. I can spread. Can he has matters? What is that? It means everyone calls the cough. Can I need medicine? That's a bit, but it's not better. It's from all the shoes. Is that disgusting? And goodbye. When the bee is cold, Panto's cough. Panto is square. Susie and Danny has got Panto's cough. Open wide, please. That's orange shoe. That's a red flower. Very good, Germans. Oh, can you have you? I don't eat. I eat all apples all day. Goodbye. Goodbye, everyone. It is home time. The people are speaking. I got a cough today. Dr. Brown Bear has told us it's been good. Mademoiselle, can you sing the song now? All right. Oh, Miss Donkey has a everyone has got Panto's cough. Dr. Brown Bear speaking. This is Peppa. All the runners has a cough. I'm going straight away. Oh, the runners are. Stand on last, and I give medicine. Lots of shoes. And the sick. I'm just sick. You can sick. I cannot sick. I'm very well. Oh no, Dr. Brown Bear has called Panto's dog. Don't worry. Goodbye. Dr. Brown Bear, no one has to keep him. Oh. Who that can be? Hello, we got to cost you, keep you. Here's some fruit. Here's some pillows. Here's a medicine. Yeah, of all shoes. And here's for some for you to keep you. Oh, Miss Donkey has a sick. Donkey has a 666.